Guys, it's Dennis Wakabayashi. I just wanted to take a quick note to let you know about Ingati. They are having a webinar on October 3rd at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. The reason I'm doing this video on their behalf is not just because they have a new version of their platform coming out that marries their chatbot technology with live customer care agents, which I think we all can agree right now is the best way to increase the number of simple questions that can be answered while quickly escalating to live agents, the more complex questions. I think this benefits a lot of different industries. But what I think is most important about this webinar is I was fascinated that they were inviting CX people and business leaders, the people who both speak about and use their products and people who invest in their products, to come together and ask tough questions, to have a conversation about the future of this technology. I think co-creation is where it's at for all of these companies who want to create the best experiences. I'm all about collaboration, so I said, yeah, I'm in. I'll invite the people I can. So I'm inviting you Wednesday, October 3rd at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'll put a link in the description below, and I hope to see you there. Thanks.